Wood and Texture is a brand new paper pack from hot off the press. And you know, wood has become such a universal background. We decided it was time to get a paper pack strictly with wood. Now this is going to have 12 sheets. I'm going to show you every single one. There are 2 of each that I'm showing you. They are double-sided. They are paper. It's an 80-pound weight. On the insert that goes in the package, there's also a scrapbook page and a card, but I'll be showing you those also. But just so you know, you're going to get that along with the package. So we're going to start with blue painted and distressed wood. How pretty is that? On the back side, you get this also kind of in a light green over the brown. Just gorgeous. Now we have a white painted, and the gray color is just stunning. I thought it was great. Here on the back side, you've got regular wood, so it can go horizontally. It can certainly go vertically also, just whatever you like. Very natural tones all the way through. And we have more of the green, different shades, very, very ancient and peeling. Then we have some other painted wood, more with the teal colors. And we have some very close up into that wood. Isn't that just beautiful? If you need cards for masculine pages or scrapbooking pages or cards, this set is perfect, but it's going to be so useful for so many things. More of a finished wood right there. Then we're going to get into some of the textures. We have brick that has been painted white and kind of distressed, as you can see. Then we also have this one that I just love. You can see the rust on it and also the blue that's been going on. Really, really pretty. And here we have the metal grate. Very useful, very good. I love the shine that you can kind of see on it. And on the back side of it, we have regular brick, a used brick, just gorgeous. So you can see how versatile all of these are going to be. And let me show you what the design team has done. So this is that green painted wood on its side, so it's a horizontal, but look, they added a doily and flowers as well as sparklets and a cutting die. Hope your day is wonderful. Well, that's a nice take on it. And then we have a scrapbook page too. Layering the white wood on top of the brick is just a beautiful look for this family scene, new home, and also using the wheels, clocks and wheels chipboard, as well as some flowers, and just a beautiful look. Absolutely wonderful. So many things that you can do with this collection. We've titled it Wood and Texture Paper Pack. I think you're going to love it, and it's in stock right now.